Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. I hope you guys are having such an amazing day. So today, me and my lovely IMANI, my youngest daughter, we are about to make a vegan Alfredo pasta with broccoli. Stay tuned. So first, we are going to be adding this Earth Balance vegan butter to our pan. Okay, so as IMANI is adding and the butter. All right, I think that's enough. Then I am going to add in our garlic. Okay, so this is pretty much the garlic that we are using. And I had got this from Dollar Tree. All right, come on, Mom. You gotta hit it, Mama. Okay, that's enough.
It's a little bit. And add the broccoli. Okay. It's done now.
Okay, so I'm just gonna stir this up real quick. And what we're gonna do, we just gonna stir this up, let the broccoli start browning and get a little soft. And then after that, we're gonna take the broccoli out, put it in a bowl, and then start cooking our pasta noodles. Okay, to our pan, honey, I almost forgot about seasoning stuff. Okay, to our pan, I'm gonna just add a little bit of our salt, our sea salt. All right, IMANI, you want to stir that up good. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so IMANI is adding in some onion powder. The onion powder, it doesn't have no salt in there, so I'm not really concerned about, how much she add in there. Of course, we don't want it too much with the onion taste. But I guess she said that's enough. Okay, family. So since we cooked the broccoli for about 5 to 7 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and take the broccoli out because we don't want it too soft when it's in our Alfredo. Okay.
Why happen too soft, Mama?
No, it's gonna be mushy and soggy. You want it like that?
Okay, no.
All right. So we're gonna go ahead and take this out, and then we're gonna start boiling our noodles. Okay, so one of the things that I do to have our noodles so they won't stick, I like adding in some, either I'm using avocado oil or grapeseed oil for cooking. Okay, so I'm only gonna go ahead and pour a little bit. Very good, that's enough. And then we're gonna add in some sea salt so the noodles really don't stick. Okay, so we're gonna pretty much add in our sea salt. And this sea salt that I'm using is kosher sea salt. Normally I use like the real sea salt. It says on the packaging, but I ran out. So we are using today this kosher sea salt course. Okay, from the Mediterranean Sea. Okay, so IMANI is pretty much pouring in our pasta noodles. And then after those pretty much get soft, then we're going to add in our broccoli and our coconut milk. Coconut milk is really, really good to use for the vegan pasta because the thickness and the creaminess of it, it gives it the Alfredo taste, okay? And of course, we have some nutritional yeast over there. Okay, so Amani is pretty much mixing the noodles. I remember when I was a kid, let me know in the comments when you was a kid, were you allowed to cook in your mama's kitchen? Okay, all right. Or if you was able to help out in the kitchen. Because I know for me, I definitely was not allowed to cook in the kitchen, right? Like when my mother would cook, oh my goodness, my mother cheeseburgers, oh my goodness, they were they so good. The cheeseburgers she would make, and then her crab salad. Oh, so good. But when she would cook, but she would let my sister and I peel some of the potatoes because whenever it was like the holidays, my mother would do all the cooking, and then all my family would come down to my grandmother's house. And but when it was cooking and stuff like that, like frying anything, like my mother, she would pretty much do all the cooking.
Okay, so guys, I be cleaning and stuff. I cook too, and I just be cooking. Sometimes I don't help.
Okay, so I guess there's my Amani's
Only
intro.
thing I help cleaning is my thing.
Okay, all right. So as the noodles are pretty much cooking, once they get soft, we're gonna take them out of the pan. So I'm just going to take our pasta noodles and
put it right in there. It looks so good. Before I say something, I trying to today, and the thing for this day, I just want to eat all this food and don't share with anybody, not even mommy. I'm here with mommy, but not with my daddy because he's asleep right now. Yesterday when I was asleep, they did this to me. Now it's my turn to do this to mom.
okay, family. So we are pretty much going to add our coconut milk to the pan, and this is going to be our Alfredo sauce. And to this, we also going to add a little more vegan butter, and then we're going to start adding in our nutritional yeast.
It's not a lot of butter.
Okay, so I'm going to add in our butter. Last time when I made this, I had used the cashew nuts. You really don't need to use that. You could just use the coconut milk. And Amani is adding in our nutritional yeast. Okay, Mama. All right, that's enough, Mama. Okay. And then once this starts coming together nicely, then we're gonna add in our broccoli and also our pasta. Okay, so I'm gonna pretty much go ahead and add some black pepper, and then I'm gonna also add in some more onion powder and then some more salt. Okay, so Amani is gonna add in some of the black pepper. Mama, move back a little.
We gotta add some of this stuff.
What is that?
It is
Onion powder.
So, if you guys need to use this in pasta or something to make it good, use this. And to pour something, and if you see these bubbles, then that means it's like bubbling. When you see this stuff, when it's bubbling,
okay, that's enough for Amani.
It means that it's about to be done. And
okay, so we're gonna just add in some sea salt, some more sea salt, and okay, and Amani is gonna continue to mix this a little while, and then we're gonna add in our broccoli and then our noodles. Okay, so Amani is pretty much pouring the noodles inside the sauce, and then Amani is going to add the broccoli inside with the noodles. And we just gonna mix that up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some mozzarella style stretch cashew cheese alternative. Okay, just so we could thicken our sauce up. I like my sauce like kind of thick, on the thick side. Okay, so I'm just gonna add this in, a little bit of this, and then Imani is going to stir it. All right, family. So the pasta is pretty much done. It tastes so good. It's creamy, thick. Okay, really good. And we just gonna plate our bowl and start eating.
Look like somebody's cooking right now. Not gonna lie, that stuff looking creamy. Oh my gosh. Creamy, so creamy.
Really my bowl. Okay, family, make sure you guys try this recipe. If you try it, let us know. Tag us and let us know how it was. Peace.
Subscribe. Peace.